Hello everyone and welcome to another online fast activity. Today we're going to be making hot dogs. A bit different to what you would normally think. We're not going to be using bread. Instead we're going to be using puff pastry. So for this activity you're going to need puff pastry, you're going to need some little frankfurts, and you're going to need some eggs and favourite sauce, whether it be tomato or barbecue. We'll get it done. Alright, let's go. To start with, we're going to need your puff pastry. So we're going to cut that into squares. So we cut it down the middle. Now make sure that you ask Mum and Dad to help with this one, because we don't want cut fingers. Okay, so now we've got little squares. So we're going to pull that one off. And what you're going to do is to grab two little frankfurts. We're going to roll them up in the puff pastry, like that. Okay, so we'll do all of these. Now you can put cheese or sauce on this if you want, or bacon. You can make them with a heap of different variety. We're just having plain ones today. Okay, and there we go. So we've rolled them up. So what I've got here is I've just put an egg in here. We're going to stir it around. Then we're just going to coat the puff pastry with it so that it gives it that lovely yellow glow, and it will stop it from burning. Okay, so we're going to do that. Excellent. I'm going to put them on the tray. I've already started making some. So we'll put them on our tray. Then we're going to put them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, let's get them out of the oven. There we go. Hot dogs in the making. See you next time.
Balloon cars out of Lego. All you're going to need for this one is some Lego, preferably with wheels to build cars, and some balloons.